we'll probably unveil Optimus 3 in a few months, and I think it's going to be quite surprising to people. It's an incredibly capable robot.
Another major capability of Tesla Gen 3 has just been strongly hinted at by Elon Musk as Optimus moves closer to real-world deployment. The picture of what this robot is truly designed to do in everyday life is becoming far clearer and more concrete. This time we can finally answer a very specific question. What can Tesla Gen 3 actually do beyond dancing all day? Stop looking for it on stage or only inside factories. Optimus is being prepared for far more practical work cooking. As Jason Calacanis put it, and I saw Optimus 3, I can tell you now, nobody will remember that Tesla ever made a car. At first, we also believed this was just another case of hype. But Elon Musk himself shared videos of Optimus performing household tasks, including cooking, cleaning, and vacuuming, calling it the biggest product ever. The robot can be trained using internet videos to learn how to cook, operate a microwave, and carry out increasingly complex kitchen tasks, all aimed at reducing the everyday burden on families. Think about it. Chopping ingredients, stirring pots, washing dishes, handling wet food, managing time and cleaning while cooking using a microwave, and performing complex kitchen workflows or even working outdoors in the rain and assisting with pet care. It sounds like science fiction, but without the ability to cook or operate reliably in environments involving water and heat, a humanoid robot would remain little more than a novelty in the home, limited by the most basic constraints of the real world. So, how can Optimus actually handle household work? Let's break down what Elon Musk has revealed. In 2026, Elon Musk is making the boldest bet of his career and possibly the most consequential in modern technology. For the first time, Tesla is not merely expanding into a new product line. It is actively restructuring its core identity around a humanoid robot. The decision to halt Model S and Model X production and convert the Fremont factory into a dedicated Optimus manufacturing facility is not symbolic, as operational proof that Tesla believes Optimus is ready to move from concept to real-world impact. Fremont is one of Tesla's most valuable industrial assets, and reallocating it to humanoid robot manufacturing indicates that Optimus is no longer experimental. This move reflects Tesla's belief that Optimus Gen 3 is mature enough to enter real-world deployment at meaningful scale, with production targets reaching 1 million units per year. Such a decision would be irrational if Optimus were limited to narrow industrial tasks or speculative future use. Elon Musk has emphasized that Optimus can acquire new skills by observing demonstrations, following natural language instructions, or even learning from video examples. This learning by observation capability is fundamental for household environments, which are inherently unstructured and constantly changing. Unlike factories, homes cannot be pre-programmed exhaustively. Tasks such as cooking, cleaning, assisting elderly individuals, caring for children, or handling pets vary from household to household and require contextual understanding rather than rigid automation. Optimus' adaptive learning approach directly addresses this challenge, making it far more suitable for domestic use than traditional robots. Tesla has confirmed that Optimus robots are actively working in Tesla factories, restaurants, public events, and company-hosted gatherings. These are uncontrolled, human-populated spaces, not lab conditions. Tasks such as serving food, carrying objects, interacting with guests, holding microphones, and navigating crowds require advanced perception, balance, dexterity, and safety systems. This matters because household environments are even more complex than factories. Homes are unpredictable, cluttered, and designed for humans, not machines. A robot that can safely serve food at a public diner or interact naturally with crowds is already demonstrating the core competencies required for domestic use. One of the most critical barriers to real-world household robots has always been hands. Cooking, cleaning, caregiving, and pet care all depend on delicate, precise manipulation. Elon Musk has openly stated that the robot's hands and forearms are among the hardest engineering challenges comparable in difficulty to building the rest of the robot combined. The progress here is tangible. Optimus Gen 2.5 has already demonstrated fluid human-like arm and hand motion in public performances, including tasks that require balance and coordinated movement. Gen 3 is expected to take this further with hands that closely replicate human anatomy and motion. This level of dexterity is what allows Optimus to realistically handle tasks like chopping vegetables, loading dishwashers, assisting elderly individuals with mobility, or safely handling pets. Unlike single-purpose home appliances, Optimus is designed to use the same tools humans use: knives, pans, doors, switches, walkers, leashes. That design choice alone is a strong signal of real-world readiness. Elon Musk has emphasized that Optimus Gen 3 will no longer look like a robot. Instead, it will resemble a person wearing a robotic suit with concealed wiring actuators and joints in movement, so natural that observers may need to poke it to confirm it isn't human. This is not about aesthetics. It's about social compatibility. In households, especially those with children or elderly individuals, comfort and trust matter as much as functionality. A robot that moves smoothly, communicates naturally, and displays facial expressions via integrated displays is far more suitable for caregiving roles than a mechanical-looking machine. For elderly care, in particular, psychological comfort is critical. A calm, predictable human-like assistant can reduce anxiety, encourage cooperation, and provide companionship, something purely industrial robots cannot achieve. One of Optimus' most compelling real-world advantages is endurance. Elon Musk has highlighted that Optimus can theoretically operate 24/7, achieving up to 5 times the annual productivity of a human worker. While this is often discussed in an industrial context, its implications for home care are even more profound. Global populations are aging, and there is a severe shortage of caregivers. Optimus could function as a 24/7 in-home assistant, helping elderly individuals with mobility medication reminders, household chores, and emergency monitoring. Unlike humans, it does not experience fatigue, stress, or distraction, and it can maintain consistent performance throughout the day and night. For parents, this means reliable support watching over children, assisting with routines, and performing repetitive tasks without replacing human emotional bonds. For pet owners, it means feeding, cleaning,